This is me trying to create an illusion braid on my head. I can tell you this is not an easy task. It is definitely a hard one, especially when you're trying to braid your hair yourself. But, well, it is kind of fun having to do this and enjoy every bit of it, even if your hands are killing you. Oh, it's Rita, baby. So guys, creating this illusion braids on my head is kind of difficult. I tried to section the parts before doing this, but well, I was just trying my possible best to get it as clean as possible. Well, this is me braiding each section of my hair. I braided the first part, I attached to the second line. This is what I do until I get to the point where I had to weave everything backward. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share the process of creating this beautiful boho dreadlock style using crochet. So now I did have a couple of technical issues with my camera, so I couldn't capture everything from the very beginning, but I've got you covered with details, explanations, and a video clip showing a similar technique. So let's start from the top. Before I began crocheting, I prepped my hair by sectioning it and braiding each part. This step is really important, especially when you're doing crochet braids, because the braids provide a solid foundation for the locks. You want to make sure each section is neat and even, as that will help the crochet process go smoothly. I couldn't show you the back of my head when I was braiding, but I attached a clip that shows a similar technique so that you can see exactly what I was doing. If you're working on your own head, it can take a bit more of patience, but it's definitely doable with practice. After braiding, I showed you the hair I chose for the crochet part. The texture is absolutely perfect for achieving the natural boho vibe, and the color, I love the color I got. I just love that reddish look. It really makes a style pop. I personally love both colors, and I feel like this color, especially the red part, adds so much character to the overall look. If you're going for a more subtle style, you can definitely choose a different color, but I highly recommend experimenting with vibrant shades. Once the hair was prepped and ready, I began crocheting the dreadlocks in, starting from the front. I make sure to work carefully using the crochet needle to pull the locks through the braids and secure them tightly. The key here is to make sure the locks are evenly spaced so you get that full balanced look. Even though you miss the few parts due to the camera issues, the process is straightforward. So going on, for the back part, I couldn't capture the section very clearly either. So I also inserted a video which I made previously from one of my clients to show you exactly what I was doing to the crochet at the back, so you get a clearer picture of how to do it. If you have watched this video up to this moment, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share to your loved ones and friends, and also tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section. Thank you. So I continue to insert the thread into the braids that I have created. I keep on doing this process until I make sure that I covered all the space on my head. I also try my possible best to fill in the gaps at the back of my head. I bought this hair from Temu, and I got about 11 packs of it. So altogether I used in my head was I used about 9 packs in my head. Now that I have finished crocheting in all the dreadlocks, I didn't stop there. I went ahead to apply some mousse in my head so that it will help give it a shine, also help the curls to pop in and give it a lasting look. So I'll be wearing this hairstyle for a while. I don't know when I'm taking it off, but give or take 2 to 3 weeks. But yeah, so make sure you apply your mousse from the beginning of the hair to the tips of the hair for a lasting look. I just love how full this hair is looking. It's looking so natural, like you had a single braid on. I applied some edge control on my hair so that my edges will stay in place while I rock this my hairstyle. Which style do you think look best? Let me know in the comments below. And which one do you think suit the boho dreadlocks the most? Well, personally, I love the versatility, and I think you can really switch things up depending on your mood or the occasion. Don't forget to always look after your natural hair that is under the crochet, and make sure it's always moisturized and nourished while you're rocking this gorgeous look. Don't forget to tell me which style you think is better, and I hope you love it just as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any question about the hair I used, the technique or anything else, feel free to drop them in the comment section. See you in my next one. Bye.
Oh, it's Rita, baby. Oh, it's